Oh, Lord have mercy, we're gonna give it a try.
Come on in.
Welcome to the weekend, guys. I am going to Eaton Center with Hilary today. I'm so excited. I'm wearing my like shopping outfit. You can tell I'm serious because it's like, woo! Leggings, tank top, like full unitard. Basically anything that makes me not have to like go through going into a change room just to try a sweater on or like a skirt, I'm happy about. So we will see you guys in a little bit. Back at our favorite haunt.
Center though.
How many times a year do you feel like we come here? Too many. Scary. Too many. Yay, music. Here's the Canada geese. Oh my god. Sephora though. What are you guys up to this weekend? Shopping? No, don't answer that question. I have a question that I forgot to ask last weekend. I was at a baseball game last weekend vlog and I want to know if you had to choose a walk-up song that plays like every time you come up to bat, what would that walk-up song be? Yay! It's my favorite place on the planet. Cute. Everyone's always talking about this shade and light palette. These new lip glosses and blushes look so cute. And also look, the top of the lash, or the eye primer now looks like a little crystal. And they have a little brush in it again. My favorite store in the mall will always be the bookstore. I love Indigo. Look at all these. Summer reading. Oh, Lord have mercy, we're gonna give it a try.
Come on in.
That's cute for like a swimsuit cover up or just a dress.
Just over like a white.
What did you get?
I got two dresses. This is kind of like a 70s whatever, and this is like a blouse dress.
Love it. Oh my gosh, they have a mini like Britney Spears fantasy knockoff called Midnight Bohem. Hilary's already in here. I'm sure she'll be here forever. This is the store Hilary always takes the longest in. Oh, cute skirt. Huh. True to form, Hilary's taking forever, but it's okay because the music in here is bumping. This looks like club lighting. It's so dark. What time of day is it? We don't know. It's like a casino though. So that was brutal. Everything I tried on was terrible. I was like, no. Not because I think I look bad, but just because H&M's having a bit of an off time. Anyway, we're gonna go to the VANS store and see if we can track down any of the Disney Van stuff. Some of y'all have been sending it to me and like Snapchatting it to me, and I wanna see it.
Get me the fuck out of here. I was like, it's real life. Get me out of here. And I did well.
Eden Center, you go too far, you do like 5 minutes too long, and it's like, this place is never get us out.
Yeah.
And look, it's Dundas Square. This is pretty touristy. I don't think anyone really goes here who's not like...
Not from here?
Yeah, but look, there's always stuff going on. So a woman here just said a lot of people have been calling in, so they expect this stuff to go quickly, but that's like the women's stuff.
How small are those socks?
Don't even worry about it though.
For children.
And then this is the men's stuff. These are cute. And I got these. So here's all the men's stuff. I might have to get something like this because I'm a size 11 and they don't really have that for women, but I'll see what I can do. I'll go over and show you the women's stuff now.
You work for the company. Do I get discounts? Why not? I work for the company. Jill tried on the ugliest shoes ever. Show them the shoes.
I like them.
Guys, comment below. Would you ever wear these in your life? I don't think so.
Yay, there's a bunch of stuff. I managed to hunt it down. So I'll show you. I'm gonna try on this sweatshirt for women's, this shirt for women's. You know what, I'll just show them once I have them on. We'll see how they look. This is huge, but I love it. No. No. Noted this as well. Sometimes stuff is cute and it has like Disney stuff on it, but that's not a reason not enough of one anyway. This is another one that's just kind of like, meh. Not sure.
Okay, Jill is trying, look how high this knapsack is. This is the area one. But like,
Do you hate it?
well, I wouldn't wear it. So,
But should I?
you like this stuff, so do what makes you happy, girl. Do what makes you happy. Oh my god. Sorry, there was a bug on my hand. I just think it's kind of like cheesy, a lot of it. But
This looks like, I love it.
that
It's
is
kind of
mental
outrageous.
though.
But I love it.
I hate that it's so dark.
But does this one look like it's more for hipster adults and this one looks like it's for kids?
They both look like they're for kids. Because they are. I like that color. Guys, which one do you like? Comment below. This? This? Or the? So what'd you decide?
I didn't get the backpack because I don't have anywhere to wear it. Even at Disney World I wear fanny packs, so.
Good choices though. She's like, I'll just put them on eBay. I'll buy them all. But she just got the shoes.
Oh,
You do not need that.
little change purse. That is cute. Bye. Bye guys. I'm gonna go home and like lay down though. Weekend though. What?
I am literally dying over your contour in that video. You look like a chimney sweep.
It wasn't that bad.
You're in a fire.
Stop!
A chimney sweep.
I sent Hilary the link for my like makeup video.
And in the video, you're like, guys, it's not that bad. Like, wait, if you see it in natural life, it was so bad.
How do people without a sister know when they look ridiculous? I've had this like safeguard my entire life. Hilary has been like laughing to herself for like the last 5 minutes.
Oh my god, go on Instagram.
No! 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 Ah! No! What'd you write?
Look at it.
AKA in a fire. You're a monster! Happy Sunday, ladies and germs. Louis is freaking out a little bit because the weather is dark and gloomy. It's okay, Bear Bear. Yeah, it's like misty and it's been thundering and lightninging and he's a bit bummed. Anyway, I figured it would be a good idea to show you guys what I got yesterday at the mall. Giving my skin like a day to just have a rest. It feels good. I know I'm gonna watch this back though and be like, no! Anyway, here's what I picked up at the mall yesterday with Hilary. So the first thing I'll show you guys is probably the thing you'll be most excited to see, and it's the Disney VANS stuff I got. And I only got one thing because it was expensive and I just had to get real with myself about what I was actually gonna wear. But it's these shoes. How cute are those? I just love them. Anyway, at Forever 21, I spotted these too. And they're not like Disney branded or anything, but I mean, clearly they're like Minnie Mouse wire headbands. So I got two of them because I don't know when the next trip to Disney World is going to be, but I know there's always another one and I'm gonna be really glad to have those then. From Forever 21, their Forever 21 plus size line I really like, especially because, you know, guys, I'm 29. It's not appropriate for me anymore to be wearing stuff that's like skin tight, so I don't mind getting stuff that's like a little bit flowier, but this is a really cute, like, kind of peplum blue shirt. I don't know. It'll be nice for the office. And then this I got because I was feeling really nostalgic because one of my closest friends, Laura, you guys saw her engagement party last week. She loves Elvis, and whenever I see anything Elvis related, I mean, I like Elvis, but I don't love him like she does, and it just makes me think of Laura, and I was like, that'll be so nice. Every time I wear this, I'll think of Laura. I got this. I'm a little bit nervous about reading it. I got it for a vacation read. Summer Sisters by Judy Blume is like one of my favorite books of all time. I would say if you're, I don't know, if you're a woman of any age, it's an amazing book. I read it when I was like 12 and I just loved it, and I've continued to love it. And so this is her first book for adults since then. And I'm excited, but I mean, it involves a plane crash and I just don't know if that's the best thing for me to be reading as I'm like taking off and, you know, counting down the days till I have to fly back. So TBD, but I know I'll be glad to have this. So I might have to save it for after I get back, or I might just brave it on the trip, but I'm really excited for that. Lastly, I stopped in at Aldo Accessories, and okay, if I weren't about to go on a trip, I think this would be like out of the question, but it's a purse shaped like a beach ball, you guys, and it was only $35, and it's like a chain thing that can hold it. I think it's good to have like a cheap and cheerful purse because I won't care if there's like sand on it and stuff, and I can just use this to tote stuff to the beach, and I don't know, I'm just loving this. It's ridiculous, but I love it. So yeah, Hilary even approved. I was shocked. Next, I know everybody on YouTube is loving those Key sunglasses. It's spelled like Q-U-A-Y. That's actually how we pronounce it in Canada as well. But it's an Australian line of sunglasses, and I was actually looking online for them, and I kind of wanted them, but they were expensive to ship here. And then I saw these at Aldo for $13, and they look exactly the same. Like, I'm thrilled about these. I love them. I can't wait to like wear them 24/7. I don't know if I'll bring these on our trip because they're not like super great protectors for like the beach and stuff when you're just staring up at the sun, but love them. And then lastly, feeling nostalgic, my grandmother was like a big fan of pink and gold lame. And when she passed away a few years ago, I started wearing a lot of pink because it just made me feel like I was a little bit closer to her. I don't know. I know that's like, some people might think that's silly, but because she loved gold lame, whenever I see anything like this, I'm just like, oh, I want to get this because then whenever I wear it, I'll think of my grandmother and just how much love she had for all of the people in her family and how like supportive and wonderful and what a light she was. And I'm just super glad to have this. So that is everything. Anyway, I will leave you guys now. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was a good weekend. I needed this. I needed to just chill the F out. Anyway, leave me a comment below. What's your walk-up song, etc. Like, just like tell me about yourself. And yeah, I won't see you guys next week because next week Hilary and I will be on a plane to Mexico, and we're going to a resort that seems a little bit ratchet where they're like only one person in the resort room gets Wi-Fi at a time. So I don't know. I doubt I'll be uploading anything from there, but definitely I will be filming. You guys will see lots of footage when I get back. Love you. Bye though.